Hello, this is part 12, pose switching. In this video, I show how to do pose switching. I'll show the changes that I made. I added the weapon mode interface. It has two functions, weapon none and weapon gun. You can add other modes in the future if you want. I added these animations for the third person character. On the animation blueprint, you can see the third-person animations that were added here. I added two variables, weapon mode and is in there question mark. On the event graph, I added this section and this section. On the anim graph, I added this section. On the player character, I added this section, this section, and this section. On the bot, I added this section. Under content, Team TPS, characters, common, animations, create new folder, name it third person. Under content, anim starter pack, UE4 mannequin mesh. Double click UE4 mannequin skeleton. Go to retarget manager. On select rig, drop down, select humanoid rig, and save. Under content, mannequin, character, mesh. Double click UE4 mannequin skeleton. Under select rig, drop down, select humanoid rig, and save. Under content, mannequin, animations, right click third person, anim BP, retarget anim blueprints, duplicate anim blueprints and retarget. You can see the directory shows you that the target's correct, so highlight that. The poses are the same, so retarget. Now it puts it in the content directory. I'm going to move these over to the third person directory and move here. So now they're in this directory. Under content, Team TPS, characters, common, animations. Double click ABP, UE4 ASP, Hero TPP. You need to add two variables. Weapon mode is an integer. Is in there question mark is a boolean. Double click on anim graph. I'll bring up this tab. This is the new section that I added. To create this node, right click, search on new state, I'm going to delete this. To create this node, right click, search on a save, select this. I'm going to delete this. To create this node, right click, search on use cache, and select the one you want with the correct name. Save this when you're done and keep this open because we're going to change this section next. I'm going to show how to program the new state machine. Reduce this window, go to third person here, double click on third person and BP. Expand the window, double click on here, and then copy all of this, and go back here, open up this, and paste. And connect this here. And compile and save and close this. This is at content, team TPS, characters, common, animations. Double click on ABP, UE4 ASP, Hero TPP. I added the weapon mode blueprint and go to third person. Double click on third person and BP, expand this, highlight everything here, copy that, go back here, paste it here, and connect this here. So I'm going to show how to create this blueprint here. First I'll show this. This is a 0 here and a 1 here. Now I'll show how it connects. Connects from here and here. And when you're done, compile and save. Under content, team TPS, characters, player, right click, go to blueprints, blueprint interface. Name this weapon mode interface. Double click weapon mode interface. Name this function weapon none. Add another function. Name this function weapon gun. Compile and save. Under content, team TPS, characters, common, animations. Double click ABP, UE4, ASP, Hero TPP. Go to Class Settings. Under Implemented Interfaces, press Add. Search for Weapon and select Weapon Mode Interface. And compile and save. Double click ABP, UE4, ASP, Hero TPP. I added the Set Weapon Mode blueprint. I'll show you how to finish programming this. Search for Event Weapon, None, and right click and search for Event Weapon Gun. Connect this here and this here. Put 0 here and 1 here. And compile and save. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Player, double click BP Player Character. I added the Set Weapon Mode blueprint in 3 places, here, here, and here. This node is Weapon None. This node is Weapon Gun. This node is Weapon Gun. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Bot, double click BP Bot Base. I added the Set Weapon Mode Gun blueprint. This is Weapon Gun. Okay, I'll press play to test. This is Weapon None mode. You can jump and you can't crouch. I'm going to grab a rifle. Now I'm still in Weapon None mode. Now when I press reload, it will go into Weapon Gun mode. Okay, this is Weapon Gun mode. Now I drop the weapon, that's Weapon None mode. That's still Weapon None mode, even though I have the weapon in my hand. Now if I press the mouse button, it goes into Weapon Gun mode. And it looks like everything's working the way it should. So that's Weapon None mode. Grab the gun, still in Weapon None mode. Press the mouse button, now I'm in Weapon Gun mode.